Hey friends, Gator Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today I'm going to be sharing this small system zipper tote from Kiwana. Hello, I hope you're having a great day. I am so excited to share this bag with you today because it's by one of my favorite leather bag brands, and that is Kiwana. It's been a little while since I've had a new bag from them. A couple of months back, I did a review on two different versions of their totes. I will kind of link it down below or up in the cards here if you're interested in seeing those. And I love those bags. I still grab for them a good bit actually, and I love them both for like different reasons. And one of my favorite things about this brand is the quality of their leather. I absolutely love it. And this small zipper tote is the perfect everyday size. I cannot wait to pack it up and show you what fits inside. So this system tote series from Kiwana has a number of different colors and sizes. Some of these bags zip, some of them are just open system totes. So it really just kind of depends your specific needs. If you need to carry a laptop, if you want to be able to put a laptop sleeve inside, if you want a functional everyday bag. So this entire line is just full of different types of bags that you can add into your everyday life depending on what it is that you need to use one for. My friend, for example, has the larger system tote at work, and it is such a dream to pack up. I hope to get that bag one day because she has a snap-in laptop sleeve inside hers, as well as a zip pocket. There's different accessories that you can add to this entire line that really brings up the functionality of them, and it's just fantastic, not to mention how soft the leather is, of course. So today we're going to be talking about this one, which I'm so excited to have because like I mentioned earlier, I think it is the perfect everyday bag. It can hold my planner, it can hold a book, it can hold a pouch or two, even a water bottle, yet it's not too big or like overpowering to just wear it every day. You can carry it a couple of different ways. You can carry it, of course, by the handle here at the top. It can go over the crook of your arm really comfortably, and you can kind of wear it like this, or you can just simply carry it by your side like this. It does also have a crossbody strap that it comes with, and you can easily kind of shorten this or make it longer, just kind of depending on how you want to carry the bag. But the buckle is such high quality, like the hardware on it. I'll zoom in so that you can see what I mean up close. It's a really pretty kind of brushed gold color on there. And I have it about like almost halfway on the bag. I have not messed with the settings on it, but I am 5'0", just kind of for size reference, and I can easily wear the bag crossbody like this. I could make it shorter and wear it as like a shoulder carry if I wanted to. I do think if you are longer, you would have no problem using this strap because it gets nice and long, especially being that it's just kind of right in the middle right now. At the top of the bag here, you just have one zipper that goes the entire way across the bag there and has a really nice kind of bar zipper pull here. And when you open the bag up, it opens up nice and wide. Like you can really fit a lot inside this size bag. You have a little key clasp here that you can easily attach your keys to. And then over here on this side, you actually have a flap that has two magnetic pieces. And right there is where you can attach a flap or a zipper pouch, and those are accessories that are sold separate that you can add into these system totes. So you can really customize it to really kind of meet your needs as to how much organization you want inside. And then over here on the other side, you do have a flat pocket as well. So lots of ways that you can use and organize this bag. All right, so I'm anxious to pack this one up. I'm gonna go ahead and move all of my items from my other bag into this one so that you can see how this one packs up and what it will hold. All right, here is the bag all packed up and how I have been using it. I've been really enjoying carrying it just by the tote straps here at the top of the bag. It's really easy to just kind of grab it in and out of my car or going in places. I can throw it over the crook of my arm if I need to. I was using the crossbody strap just having it attached here to the bag in case I wanted to be hands-free or wear it kind of messenger style. But to be honest, I really haven't carried it that way. So I went ahead and I took it off and I added in just a little scarf that I had because it matches this particular color well. And then I have my little Kiwana A charm that I've had for a while now. Actually, I got it with a couple of totes that I purchased, I think it was last year. So I have that on there, but I've been able to kind of add a bunch of different charms and things on the bag just by the little hooks over there on the side. So anyways, that's what I have on the outside of the bag. Besides that, or anything else that I just kind of add here, there's no exterior pockets or anything like that on the bag. Everything is just on the inside. So I just really like how sophisticated and simple the outside of this bag is. So getting on in to the inside, you have one zipper here across the top, and it does go the whole width of the bag. So with the exception of this little kind of tail over here, and then on this side, there's a small little area. So you can definitely kind of tuck the flaps down into the bag, especially if you put this little tail tucked into the bag. So if you don't want to have the bag be zipped, you can definitely just kind of have it hang out open like so, which is most of the time how I do it. So this is what it looks like. Everything kind of Tetrised in there. It's so awesome. Gosh, it's such a great bag. Back here in the very back, well, actually, I'll show you that at the end after I pull everything out. But starting over here on this side of the bag, I just have my sunglass case standing vertically in there. You guys have seen this in a ton of my videos. This just holds my eyeglasses on one side and my sunglasses on the other. And then I have next to it my scrunchie just inside there. And then I have a protein bar, and I also have my keys attached to the little key leash that's inside this bag, which is so handy because I know right where they are. So I have my keys and my car keys, this little keychain, and yeah, it's just attached there to that key ring inside the bag. And then I also have loosely in the center right here my pill case, and this just has a couple little on-the-go medicine cabinet, if you will. And then I also have next to it my wallet. This is my Gucci wallet that I have moved back into. I keep kind of moving in and out of wallets, you guys know me, but this one is just, it's one of my favorites. I think it's worth every single penny. I don't know what it is about it, but it's just such a great size. I love the little buckle on the zipper here, and I love how slim it is. So that one is the one I'm in right now. And then I also have next to it over here a MZ Wallace little pouch. This is in the metallic, I forget the actual color of this one. They may not have this exact one because I think it was the end of last year that I bought this, but they seem to always have this pouch in a bunch of different colors. So I love the size of it. It's kind of like a triangle, so it shimmies in the side of the bag really nicely. And inside here, I just have my little travel perfume. I also have travel deodorant and some hair ties, tissues, Vaseline. I have lip products. So much fits inside here. Like, it goes really deep. I have my hand cream in there. I have a pen, more lip products. So this is just kind of all of my little small stuff that I don't want to get lost in the bag. So I have that pouch on the side over there. And then the only other things I have inside the bag is my Kindle and my planner, which you guys know that I hardly ever leave without either of these. Now, I will say for a while I was carrying a pretty large hardback book inside this bag, and it was totally fine. So this bag will hold a book or even a larger planner. I'm just trying to get back into my Kindle like I explained in a previous video, but I did have a hardback book in here for a while and it was absolutely fine. So just for like size reasonings, you can really fit a lot inside this bag. It's pretty wide in there. And then the only other thing I have inside the bag is in this side pocket over here. I have my Touchland hand sanitizer, and this is the Crocs case. These are not the little, what are they, charms? I don't know what they're actually called that come with the case. I had bought these separately just because it's like summertime and I put like some beach kind of flair on it. But anyways, I'm just extra like that. But this is the Touchland hand sanitizer you guys always see in all my bags. So this is kind of cool because you can like attach it to the outside of your bag too if you want to. But I have that in there, and then I also just have these little yogurt fruit things and a small little Laneige lip gloss. So that's all I have inside this pocket. You can actually fit a lot more in there if you wanted to. Like, I'm pretty sure my wallet would fit in there really nicely. Yes, I mean, look how awesome that is. It's like fits like a glove in there. Let me check my cell phone. Actually, that would be a good thing to test in there. Taking off this little kind of phone stand that I have on the back and testing to see if it will fit in here. It will not widthwise. You could kind of put it up vertically though if you wanted to. Not the best fit, but this is a Pro Max, so I think it's a 15, so it's a little bit larger. But I usually was just kind of like throwing my phone inside the bag overall. So that's everything I have inside here. I did want to show up close this side over here, which I started to mention in the beginning of the video. This is the little flap that's inside the system tote that you can actually attach a couple of different accessories that you can buy separate on the Kiwana website. Buy these little kind of snaps or magnets. I believe there is maybe a zipper pouch, a flat kind of pouch. I'm not sure exactly what they have, but if you were to buy any of the accessories, they clip right in the inside of that bag, which is just so awesome. So there you have it. That is everything that I've been packing inside this tote. I love it so much. All right, I think that does it for today's video. I sure hope it was helpful for those of you that were curious about this small system zipper tote from Kiwana. I highly recommend it. I think this tote, as well as any tote in their system line, is just absolutely fantastic and worth the investment. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave those down below. I'm always happy to help. Until next time, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I will see you soon. Bye.